Hello, my name is Sri Chalasani and I'm a colorectal surgeon at Bronson. Prevention is very important. It's a big part of what we do in our practice. We take care of all aspects of colorectal health for patients, from prevention of colon cancer to treating colon cancer and all other problems that occur in your colon. One of the things I really like about Bronson is the commitment to quality care and proper care. The staff is wonderful. They care for the patient, and not just as a patient but as a person too. They've always been willing to go an extra mile for the patients. When a patient comes to see me in the office to schedule a procedure, we go over the reasons why they're having the procedure, what alternatives that there are. We try to address all aspects of the treatment issues. When they leave the office, I hope that they have a good understanding of what their disease process is and what the treatment plan is, and that they had a say in the treatment plan. We want them to be educated and informed of the decisions they make.